Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to add HTML code in WordPress, and it will be a complete updated video for the 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already landed in our WordPress platform. So if I want to add custom WordPress, how I like custom HTML, how I can do it. So here let's go to the pages, one of them, and here let's click this one. Let's go with this one, like let's click this one, edit, and once I click over here, then here you will find out that you have a Gutenberg editing option, so you can do with this one. So here you just need to click over here and you will get an option where you can find out elements for your pages. So here I will search for HTML and let's see, does it have HTML? Yes, you can see we have one that is custom HTML, just like this one, and here we can write our HTML. So let's take help from ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT, they will give us a couple of custom codes, like ChatGPT, and go to the ChatGPT and ask them to create an HTML table for us. So just click this one and I will take help from ChatGPT. So here I will write, give me a table of HTML code. Let's hit and let's wait a bit to complete the process. So here actually you can see it already been done, our table already been copied, so we just need to copy it. Let's copy it and then I will paste it here and just click to the preview, and here actually you can see we are able to see the preview and this is our table. So this is the easiest way to add your custom HTML on your WordPress platform. I hope. Okay, let's see the result. Let's click to the save and let's see the eventual result, how it looks right now. So I will click to the sample page and now I will click over here view and to the desktop or tablet, or I will click this one, it will give it, and here actually you can see that it already been pasted in here and it looks really amazing. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.